Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Avenger Inc, AVINGER, and you can see that the stock is trying to create a base formation in the last couple of months where it was revolving, or it is revolving in between 0.32 on the upside and 0.24 on the downside, and you also have a midpoint which is at 0.27. So the stock is trying to move and create a base in this overall range. Now looking at the overall trend, it simply gives an indication that probably it is trying to go and move towards the upper end of the range. Okay, so let's discuss about that. Now as you can see, if I just simply made a line like this, what you can see here, if the stock sustain above 0.32, then it is looking for a target which is as high as 0.64 and 0.79. So this is the first set of target which one should look for. Okay, because there are three levels. I will tell you, but we will go one step after another. So this is the first level, 0.79. Now after 0.79, there is a zone of consolidation or correction from 0.79 to 0.90, and if the stock, let's say, sustain above 0.90, beg your pardon, 0.90, then we are looking at a target which will take us to $1.5. And after $1.5, there is another zone of congestion where the stock may move in between 1.58 and 1.82, but if the stock sustain above 1.8 to 1.85, then we will have our next target at $4. Also, the target could lead us to the point which is as high as this level, and that is $10. Okay, now I think I have given lots of things, but it may confuse you, so let me clarify one after another. First, there are three things. Okay, this is the first level, this is the second level, as I would already told you, and this is the third level. We will focus on each and every level, and we will go with individual set of targets at a single point of time. We are not going to jump directly to $10. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, for the time being, let me just remove this thing. For the time being, if the stock sustain over 0.32, then we have our next target which will be in between 0.64 and 0.79, and it may rise up to 0.90. Okay, it may rise up to 0.90, but the probability is it will go and touch or may move in between 0.64 and 0.79, and if it cross 0.79, then we should look for a level which is at 0.90, and if the stock sustain above 0.90, then we will go for 1.85, and it can extend up to 1.82. Once 1.82 get crossed, then we are looking for a target which is $4 and simultaneously $10 after $4. So this is the overall concept that we are working with for the time being, but as a first set of target, we will look for 0.64, 0.79, and if I extend myself a bit, then 0.90. We are not going to go beyond 0.90. If the stock sustain above 0.90, then we will discuss the rest of the things, although I have explained most of the things, but what we are specifically looking at is 0.64, 0.79 and 0.90 on the upside for the time being. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.